Good morning, it is Clay Trader from claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. The market should be opening up any minute here, so I will keep you posted with any sort of live trades that I make. Well, it is 11:05 a.m. and I have committed one of the ultimate sins. If you've been following me on Twitter, you saw me saying how slow it was. And here I went and just did such a stupid thing. I'm trying to trade this, and it's just right now basically I'm getting squeezed on it. Down 140. I did some other small trades on the day, but I didn't even bother recording. But like I said, it's an hour and a half in the day. I should be done, especially on a summer Friday. Yet I went and did this, and now I am paying the price for it. So I want to get this just caught on tape, just because I'm probably going to take a loss on it. And I mean, it was just stupid. So it's just hovering around. There's barely any volume in it now. It's barely. And it's slowly moving up, I should say. Got a little bit of a pullback there, but there's nothing I could have worked with. So it's just a slow, what I like to call the torture chamber. It's slowly squeezing me right now, and it's my own fault. I got in. I tried to make something out of nothing, just because, quite frankly, I was kind of bored, just looking for something to do. Hey, look, this looks like it had some possibility, and it did have some possibility, but some being the key word, and it was just something where I should have never touched it. So, if it can break back below 35, I'll look to probably just get out and begin to take, try to get a smaller loss on it. But we'll see. There seems to be a big buyer sitting there at 35. But I'm not going to average up or do anything like that. If it goes up pretty much any more from here, I am just going to bow out and take a little bit bigger loss. But want to see if it can get back below 35. So that is where I'm at right now. Like I said, it's the video I just started recording again, and it's already an hour and a half into the day. That just really shows how slow it's been. I made 45 on SHPG, 15 bucks on Tesla. So it's just been a brutal morning, and I haven't been able to really find anything, obviously. And then I went and did something stupid like this. But I want you guys to learn from this and see how this can unfold, just getting yourself into a stupid situation. And if you're watching this, I mean, level 2s are barely moving. This thing's a sluggish pace. So it's pretty much a train wreck right now for me, but it is my own fault. I just need to point at a mirror, because that's who needs to be blamed. So I'll keep you posted on it. As you can see, not barely moving. There's not much I can, if I keep it. Well, here we go. See, there's that big buyer right there at 135. So let's see if that falls, then maybe. See, and then so. There's other shorts in here getting squeezed. There's other people like me that want to cover this, and that's why the chart is very overextended on the 5 minute. So that's why I say I did have some sort of reason to do it, but afternoon volume just brutal, and there are shorts getting squeezed, and I am one of them right now. And you can see somebody big wants to cover at 135 because the price is really struggling to get down through there. So I'll keep you posted, but I may just be looking to cover here anyways, and just do a market order and let them take me to the woodshed and beat me and probably give me a terrible fill price. But yeah, whatever, just stupid Friday mistake, no excuse for it, but I do want to at least get it caught on video so you can see what not to do. Alright, and it's starting to move against me, so I am just going to close out of all my short position here, and I am out. $225 loss, so now I am down 165 on the day, and that's probably going to be my last trade for the day and for the week. But stupid me, and I'm glad I got out now, looking like here was that consolidation. As you can see, it never rolled back over at all, but just given the way it's trading, that's not shocking. So I'm glad I cut my loss here rather than see now it's just they're just getting squeezed even further up. So I'm out. Let's see if it can break through 320, and that'll make myself feel at least a little bit better. Well, anyways, I'm just gonna wrap it up. Keep the video short. You heard me say this is a video on what you do not want to do, and I did it, and I paid the price for it. It was a $225 mistake, and it took my small little gains down to now I'm at a $165 loss on a Friday. So just not good. And we'll have to see and there we go, back up above 35.20. So now I'm feeling a little bit better. but you can just a slow mover that's slowly and slowly squeezing the shorts, and I was indeed one of them. But anyways, if you do want to learn, well, this is kind of probably bad. If you want to learn how to trade with charts, like I said, this is not the best example. I do offer courses and such. You can go to the course store for that. Also have a private trading group, and you can check out all that and see, the different. We have a chat room. There's a newsletter as I stumble over my words, but as you can see, that's why you also. So I'll make it. That's why you just cut your losses when you have them, because now my loss would be that much more as it is pushing above 35.30. So I guess I can wrap or put that example into it too. Just get out, cut your losers, accept when you do stupid mistakes, and just get out. I mean, I covered at 35.13, so 35.13 covering rather than having to cover up here at 35.36. That's a lot better, and it's looking like it's going to head up over 40 here. But anyways, check out the course store, check out the newsletter, and we'll hopefully decide to sign up. If anything, read some testimonials. Sorry for my stumbling over the words. Just as you can see, not too happy with myself, but it is what it is. Learn from this mistake. Don't be an idiot like I am. Literally tie your hands behind your back if you need to. But just don't be like me in regards to forcing a trade, but be like me in terms of just cutting the loser, accepting defeat, and not letting one loss turn into a massive one against you. So hopefully you learned something on what not to do and what to do. Thank you for listening. Have a good weekend.